October the 15th, 1973 was an important day because I got married. But it was also an important day because the advert came out, exchanging mark for the MG Owners Club. And we've never looked back.
And some 50 years later, here we are at Swavesey, the HQ of the MG Owners Club.
The MG Owners Club is formed in Great Britain, and we have 150 branches, local clubs.
This is a good social scene for everybody around the country with all the meetings and local meetings. They're a band of people locally who get together and enjoy their MGs. Well, worldwide we have individual members, but we also have affiliated clubs. And the individual members could be in Australia, New Zealand, South America, a really strong following in the United States and also into Europe.
You can do anything you need to in the MG Owners Club, whether it's race a car around a track or show your car at a concourse festival.
Why should you be a member? Well, at the end of the day, if you own an MG or you aspire to owning an MG, then you need to join us because we can help you.
Well, here in our headquarters, which we opened in 1992, we have a very good technical team that know MGs inside and out.
One of the major benefits of being a member of the MG Owners Club is talking to the technical team. If you have a problem with your MG, we can help you. Members can ask us about anything MG related, being it a component fitting, or if they've broken down, or if they're doing a restoration, whether they've started the restoration or halfway through and they don't know quite where to go. Often people get halfway through and start to lose a little bit of oomph, so we're there to just G them up and help them on their way. We'd rather people ring up and ask what they feel is a silly question, because it really won't be that silly, and that's what we're here for.
Once you've got your MG, if you're not interested in doing the work yourself, we can do it.
The Club Workshop is recognised as one of the UK's leading MG workshop specialists. We can do anything from basic servicing to full-on nut and bolt restoration, dependent upon the budget and what the customer wants. They have access to 4 mechanical technicians and 3 body shop technicians that are experienced purely with these vehicles. They've worked from classic cars for many, many years. So you get the experience of being able to look at a vehicle and try and diagnose what the problem is much quicker, purely from experience and the fact that we've done it before. And we're quite happy to take on things that they've started, and either they might have run out of time or run out of experience. As a new club member, they get the invitation to bring their vehicle here for us to do the free inspection. But we also will do vehicles that they're potentially thinking of buying, and we can check it over for them and tell them whether we think it's what they think it is. We mainly specialise in the post-war 1950s MGs onwards. We can do other classic cars as well, but obviously MG is our main core business. Hopefully we can help them run their car in a way that they want to, for the period they want. Some people want to use their cars as regular cars, others use them as a fun thing.
As a member of the MG Owners Club, you've got a whole raft of benefits available to you. Well, the insurance scheme that we have with our insurance partner is an agreed value insurance scheme, so that in the event of a claim, you get the full value of the car, and that's a very important aspect, and the discounts are available to members. We're here in the club shop, so we get a lot of visitors here come and see us. There's plenty of nice MGs to look at, interesting MGs, a whole range of merchandise, and of course we've got the massive warehouse behind us full of spares.
we're unique in that MGOC has its own department to sell you direct the spares you need and all the range of accessories that can enhance the car, from just keeping it running on a day-to-day basis up to a £50,000 supercar. What this warehouse means to a member is an overnight delivery service where they can get their parts delivered ready to work on the car at the weekend. It's by being a member and supporting what we do in supplying spares and accessories, and help keep your car and every other member's car on the road.
I'm part of the editorial team here at the MG Owners Club. We put together a monthly magazine for all our members. It goes out to about 21,000 members at the moment. It's a full colour magazine. It's everything from cars for sale, spares for sale, members' projects, our own projects, lots and lots of technical advice, tips on keeping MGs running, modifying them, racing them as well with our race team. We have a lost and found section as well, which is always very popular, with people tracing their old cars back, people finding cars that they had 50, 60, sometimes 70 years ago. Very, very effective as well. Happened for me, found my grandfather's car.
We haven't lost sight of why we started. We're still on the same motto of we'll help you to run your MG for as long as possible at a reasonable cost.
Why should you be a member? Well, at the end of the day, if you own an MG or you aspire to owning an MG, you need to join us. But we want to help you enjoy your MG. We like to think that we are the one-stop shop for you and your MG.